team, we got ourselves a new toy. That's right, our friends over at Newair sent us a new indoor outdoor electric pizza oven. Guys, I can't wait to get into this one. We're gonna do an unboxing. We're gonna put this thing together. I'll show you all the features. It's gonna be good. All right, if y'all want to check this out for yourself, I'll put a link down below to Newair. Guys, there's a little discount code, save you a little bit of cash. So let's check it out. All right, guys, let's get this thing open. Got all the goodies. Quick start and safety guide. Looks like a piece of the pizza peel. It's probably the damper, the opening of the pizza portal. Got ourselves the pizza stone right here. Guys, this packaging is really nice. Guys, you'd be surprised the stuff I get here that just comes, it's such a mess. All right, this is looking nice. Feel more comfortable when the packaging is good and tight. That means the product's gonna be good and tight most of the time. All right, so here's the main unit right here. Go ahead and get it out. We're gonna go ahead and take that plastic off. This is too simple right here. Got the little fold out legs. Perfect. That's what makes this so compatible for travel. These right here, they're the handles for the peel and for the cover to the fire pit right here. Got that compact design. Let's see what we can look at in there. All right, I'm gonna reach my hand in here. Hopefully nothing attacks. Ah! Just kidding. Right on, got a cover. Bad boy comes with a cover too, perfect. Yeah, this unit comes with a pizza oven, of course, the pizza stone, oven door, pizza paddle, and the oven cover. So this is the whole kit. This bad boy can go up to 900 degrees or 500 degrees Celsius. It has 120 watts, 1800 watts of power consumption. This thing's 22 pounds, 10 inches high, 23 inches deep, and a width of 14 inches. Let's go ahead and get our pizza stone in there. Now you can see inside the unit, you have the little heating element that the pizza stone sits on top of. Let's get that in there. All right. Now the pizza peel has instructions. Basically, you screw the top part into the bottom part. Have little Phillips head screws with some nuts on them. Take one of the screws, put them on top. Line them up with the hole. And then screw the nut on the back. And we'll tighten them up when we get them on. Get them tight with the screwdriver. Hold the nut to make sure that it doesn't twist on you. Right. Nice and tight. There is your pizza peel. Okay. Next up is our cover. This also has screws and nuts on the inside of the quick start. There's the way the handle goes. The screws go in the back, the nuts go in the front. This lip right here is facing outward. Okay. All right, so we have it at the angle. Screw in. Nut on. Okay. Just like we did with the pizza peel, we're going to tighten this and use our fingers to hold it on. Okay. There we go. All right, and when we go to put this on, you see the tab at the top over here that put up in there. And there's a notch in there that keeps it from coming out. That's where we're at, boys and girls. All right. Guys, I showed you everything about it. Okay, we're gonna do the burn off. We've plugged it in. We turn that dial all the way up to max. And we're gonna let it burn off for 20 minutes. turn it off, let it cool down, and you'll be ready to go. Now, we're not cooking a pizza in this one. You'll have to come back for the next video on the Newair pizza oven here, where we will be making pizza. So make sure you're subscribed, thumbs up, comment, all that good YouTube crap you do. But we'll come on back in 20 minutes when this is done. Guys, I've also opened up the back door here. You're gonna get a little burn-off smell in your house. Probably could have done this outside if I wanted to, but you know, everything's inside right now, so that's what we're gonna roll with. Because it's an indoor-outdoor pizza oven, right? Right. Okay, we'll see you in 20 minutes. Well, it'll be that for you. This brings the heat from the top and from the bottom underneath that pizza stove. One thing you need to keep in mind that this outdoor shell of the pizza oven gets hot, so you want to make sure you have plenty of space around it so you don't burn anything. You keep the little ones away so they don't burn their hands on that. Y'all, the burning is complete. Now it's time to make a pizza, but we're not doing it on this video. You're gonna have to come back for that one, all right? Sorry, but I gotta leave you wanting more, baby. All right, guys. Links down below if you want to check this out, okay? If you'd like to become a show producer and be a part of all this, hit that join button right next to the subscribe button or that Patreon link in my video description. Helps out your channel, helps out your boy to make good content like this, okay? You'll be scrolling on the screen on all my long form videos that you see here on YouTube. But other than that, guys, we're done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking. Well, thanks for giving the first look on this pizza oven with CJ. Take care.